So everybody who's watching in, I'm not telling you thanks. I'm thanking you for your money. So if you don't pay no money, then I'm not thanking you. But why the fuck you watching this if you're not paying no money? This is that. I don't care who you know Pinky as. I don't know who you know Pinky, who she was. But this is Pinky. This can be any of us. Pinky never born with cancer. She never, like never ever born with cancer. Who born with cancer? You just get cancer. It could be any one of us. God, please, we can save her. Please, help me save Pinky. Please, I'm begging you. Please. It's not an argument. It is Pinky. Look at Pinky. You know who Pinky was? She's calling sister. She was calling partner. She was the girl that do all the dancing with Carlene. You know that. You know who she was. Then she get shot in the face. And then the old shit get, you know, turn over. So, I'm saying, if you got $5 or $10, we need $50,000 by today. So by tomorrow we can just fly out and go do the operation. You don't have to buy the ticket. We got a ticket. Don't worry about it. I will do my part. You know how the shit goes. So listen to what me I said now. Pinky, she's sick. And she needs your help. Yeah. And the reason why I was talking like that because if you can send $1,000 Jamaican dollar, $1,500, $500, we accept it too. See? So we're gonna send the link where you can find it. No want nobody to tell me which part of the link there. We have the link. We are going to send it come here. See? So everybody know, and I appreciate you for that. So everybody want to know the link. Which part we will send the money, when Pinky forget the money, when Pinky for do, I like it. Jamie. So send the link. Send the link. Beenie Man Foundation. Just find the Beenie Man Foundation.
The link is in the bio.
And then you get it. There's no problem. Thank you. My friend. My brother. I can't even talk about Pinky. I can't even talk about Pinky. Make happen. Hey. Pinky let me know Carlene. Pinky let me there with Carlene. Pinky let me have Krista. Pinky. Pinky let me know Angelina. Pinky. Yo, Pinky. I don't know what but she's my friend.
Yeah.
And I need to help her.
Yeah, it's
and I need you to help me to help Pinky. Please. I'm begging for you. $10, $5, $20, anything you have. Send it. We need $50,000 to make Pinky get that she need.
Yeah.
Please. Begging for you. This is what I'm saying. Just, we need it. Like, I already put in my thing already. Because anything Pinky wants, I give her.
Me to be the man, anything she wants, we try to give it to her as well. People, yes. Whatever you can do, we're reaching out to you all. I want to try and extend Pinky's life and save her life.
Yes, Pinky.
So
this is Angelina.
Yeah.
Pinky friend and my friend.
I've known
My best
Pinky
friend.
from I was 18 years old. She's one of the person that first took me out on the road. She and Carlene, not even Roy Fowler. She, Carlene, and Beenie Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, first took me into this street. Trust me, people.
Yeah.
You know, so whatever we can do to preserve Pinky life and, you know, give her a long life, I'd like all of us to chip in and, you know, just help out.
Help us. Please.
She's really, really, really ill.
This is really sad, but you know,
You know, it's so
we gotta do
heartbreaking
this. We gotta do this. We
to
gotta
watch
do this.
her. Yeah,
We
man.
gotta do this. We can help her. So if you can help her with us,
Yeah.
please
Right
help
now
us.
she needs a surgery tomorrow because
Yeah.
this thing right here is infected. So we need
Where
to,
they send the money though?
yeah, to Beenie Man Foundation. is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, you can send it
He
to
does
the
have money, but this is not what we're literally, it's not about him. He's done what he does a lot already. So it's not about him having money to do it. We're literally having a link there for you to other persons that would like to contribute and help Pinky, that loves her. And that's what there is actually on. He's not on about who's got or what.
Oh, we all chipped in. Myself,
We all chipped
Beenie
in.
Man, Bunty, loads
everybody.
of people.
But we
it's
need
still
you.
not enough. We need more help.
Look at $50,000 is not enough. $50,000 just to get her in the hospital. That's what you need to know, Step. If you want to know. We need more money than that. We need like $75,000 to really get her to get better.
USD.
Seriously. United States
Oh, it's
dollars.
US dollars?
Yeah.
US dollars?
USD.
Yeah,
It's
USD.
US.
US dollars. Not 50,000 Jamaican. 50,000 Jamaican. I have that in my pocket. What are you doing?
We give her more than that.
Okay.
We all have.
You stop. So, you know what I'm saying. So, it's going to be 75,000 to really get her to the point where we really want to get her to.
They want to know what cancer does she have. You want to disclose that?
Stage 4.
Stage. Okay, so they want to know about that.
She stays forward, right?
But
Don't
there's-
care which cancer you are.
There's
If you stage
treatments
4,
available that
the
can help
treatment
her.
can help you.
Because a lot of people have come
So,
back from
please
stage
stop,
4
stop.
cancer.
Listen what I'm saying. If you send this money in early, and early, we can get her better. Seriously. Because the doctors from Cuba, they do that. You know the Cuba doctor.
Pinky, they love you.
They do that. So
Yeah,
you
man,
know they
Pinky
do
is a
that.
lovable person,
Yeah.
very jovial and, you know,
Yeah, they
full
do
of
that.
energy.
You know the doctors, they do that. You know them doctors, they do that. They don't business about America or what Cancer Society want to say or what Ray want to say. Cancer Society don't want to kill cancer. They want to make cancer kill everybody in the
Yeah.
world. Kill everybody.
They put stuff in the.
But we
you
have
know,
doctors
sometimes I
that
think
want
they
to
put
cure
stuff
cancer.
In the food, the water,
Look at me.
so much.
We
other
got
things.
doctors that want to cure cancer. And this is what we need to do. Cure Pinky. So please, send me some money. Please send me some money. Send me some
Now
money.
click the link.
Click the link. Send me some money.
Yeah.
Send me some money.
Click the
I
link.
need some money to cure Pinky. Cancer. I need some money. Yeah. Money. So everybody who's watching in, I'm not telling you thanks. I'm thanking you for your money. So if you don't pay no money, then I'm not thanking you. But why the fuck you watching this if you're not paying no money?